the infinity pool at sea garden. Oh yan, ang aking busilang family guys. Actually guys, sa aking workplace, especially in the operating room, wala naman ako talagang mga best friend. Pero sa labas ng operating room, ito kami in the whole hospital, the Busilak family. Always see to it na kami unwind. Every year, 2 times a year, we are having our gift giving, guys. Yes, si Cherry.
Apat na lang po ang sa tikisaang. Apat kami mo may ara na sa apat. Tapos may
So sometimes guys, it's so nice na mag-unwind din tayo guys. Together with our friends, our family, for our mental health, di ba? But for now, ito kami ngayon sa pool, with matching. Ang sarap-sarap ng tubig guys. Napakasarap ng tubig. O ito, magtatampisaw na ako guys ha. Magtatampisaw na ako. Oh yeah.
Ano pa taon na to dito sa may 116.
La la la.
Nasa room 116.
Say hi to my vlog.
May table.
Say hi to my vlog. The Busilak family.
Ano to?
Wala. Say hi.
Kumara na hi.
Ay, hello. Korean idol. Korean idol. This is my Korean idol. That's my vlog.
Korean idol.
Since we had our Kumar was 8 months old. And now, he is, how old are you? 13.
Ay, 14 ka na nung ay
This is my, ay hindi ko gali dyan ihado, sikundon gali ako ni ihado. So, during the time na we always have our get together, Kumar was 8 months old. And now, he is 14 years old. So, ganun nakatagal yung mga Busilak family. Kaya, guys, we found family in our workplace. Just like the Busilak family, it is a non-organizational group in the hospital that we always have our gift-giving activities 2 times a year, di ba? December and May. So, yun na guys. Say bye! Bye! Okay.
Ay, di sa PWD kinanglan para sa food.
So, I have to say goodbye.